If you look at this page, you can see we have quite a number of jobs that are available for anyone seeking to work with Netflix. And among the jobs available are administrative support, advertising, animation, communication, content, customer service, data insights, engineering, as well as enterprise operations. And the list is just endless. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Netflix jobs. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So all you need to do is to go ahead and visit the official Netflix website, and here I am at the homepage. From the homepage, go ahead and scroll down, and down here you can see we have an option for jobs. If you go ahead and click on jobs here, now this will take you to this website, jobs.netflix.com. And here we have here options only at Netflix, careers, and locations. So for careers, go ahead and click on careers, and you can see all those careers that you are talking about are all listed here. So you can scroll through by moving this line towards the ends, and you can see we have so many of them. So should you want to work with them in any area, say marketing, go ahead and choose that category. And a new page will be opened where you can see all the available opportunities in marketing to join Netflix. And to see them, just scroll down here, and here you should be able to see the available positions. You can see here we have view open roles in consumer production. If you click on that, you will see the roles and how to apply. So go through the list, and once you identify the specific job that you like to apply, go ahead and click on it, and you'll be redirected to this page of careers at Netflix. And here's the page. Go ahead and submit your details by filling in any of the information required to make your application. So that's how you can make application or apply for jobs at Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.